Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to find someone's Instagram by phone number. So let's get started. First tap the three-bar menu in the top right corner. Then click Settings. Then choose Account. Then tap Contact Syncing. Activate the Connect Contacts feature. Instagram will sync the phone numbers and make a search through its database. Restart Instagram and go to the settings one more time. Choose Discover People. Now, you can see the list of Instagram accounts who link their pages to the phone numbers that you have in your phone contacts. You can also search Account with Instagram. Click on Search option and write number. You want to search if Instagram account create on this number, it appear on search result. So, that is all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.